Hi, my name is Dana Paola Garcia Contreras. The topic I'm going to talk about today is civil law. To start, I will talk about the definition of civil law. It's the branch of private law that includes issues related to people, property, inheritance, obligation, and contract. First point, people. The Civil Codex provides that natural persons acquire their legal capacity with birth and laws it with their death. The law also provides that from the moment an individual is conceived, he enters under the protection of the law and is considered born to legal effects. The minority of the stage on interdiction and under legal incapacities are a restriction to legal personality. However, the incapable exercise their rights or contracts obligation to their representatives. A person is distinguished for another by name, address, acts, or marital status and accents. The acts of the civil status of the person are recorded before the authority of the civil register, which it's called the official or judge of the civil law should not be confused with commercial companies, which are related with commercial law. Next point, the good civil law deals with the protection and respect of movable and immobile property. The law regulates the way in which the goods are acquired, their use, enjoyment, the way of the transmitting them, and conflict derived from the same. In relation to goods are the right and obligation relating to property and possession. Next point, the property. By virtue of the property, a person has the right to act and dispose of his property in accordance with the law. The stakes in case of public interest guaranteeing compensation to the individual may us enjoy or dispose of a person's property is the case of expropriation for the reason of public utility. The law establishes as ways of acquiring property: contract, succession, acceptation, appropriation, and acquisition. Point, possession. Possession is not the same as property. The law distinguishes a term from the other. Possession is the fact in which a person has the power of the god or right over which the perform and acts of the use. Enjoyment a person can have possession of a mobile and immobile property, also as a right without being to the owner. Possession of a thing or right can be acquired in good faith, such as under a lease, or the possession might be acquired in a bad faith, such when no there is possession. Next point, the succession. Succession is one of the ways in which a person acquires property and right. The law prohibits that the inheritance is the succession. It's all the assets of the decision, and it all the rights and obligations of him that are now extinguished by deed. The inheritance can be testamentary or legitimate.